Work with CAAN FENCE Inc. today! We are the masters of any of your fence needs. We are MBE, WBE, DBE, Section 3, and the City of Boston certified. Are you having any fence problems? CAAN FENCE Inc. is here for you. To make sure that your industrial business is secured and aesthetic, our craftsmanship will work together to build you a fence that lasts. Since 2012, CAAN FENCE has been providing a great quality fence to any industrial property. We got what you need, from wood fence, chain link fence, vinyl fence, ornamental fence, name it. Give us a call at 781-767-3596 and let's get you the fence that you deserve.